Hi, Loop and Learn community, and happy holidays from Berlin, Germany, and happy holidays from the Open project as well. My name is Katarina, and I am a researcher and medical doctor on the Open team. We're doing interdisciplinary research from all directions about DIY looping. And this year was particularly important to us because we published an international consensus statement of healthcare professionals and professional diabetes teams about DIY looping. And the date when it got published could not have been better. It actually got released on World Diabetes Day this year. And it was published in a journal called The Lancet Diabetes and Endocrinology, so quite a big one. We're very, very pleased with the outcome, and we were so happy to be able to engage such a big network of international people, all diabetes educators, doctors, psychologists, and so forth, that are in support of DIY looping. And we're glad it's out. So we're up for new adventures in 2022. We hope you will be a part of it. If you're interested to learn more about us, check out our website. It is open-diabetes.eu. And there are always studies going on. You can still donate your device data and support what we're doing so we can support you guys with DIY looping. Over and out from Berlin.